Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. And to get started, let's open up the standalone contacts app, which is located right over here, and skip signing in, assuming you don't want to sign in. So once you're in the contacts app, tap on the three bars and go to settings, where at the bottom you should see import option, and what you want to select is import from SIM card. Tap on OK, and this will take you to the location where you have all the SIM contacts, with all of them being selected by default. So what you want to do is now deselect the contacts that you might not want. I'm gonna just deselect a couple of them, and once you have selected every contact that you want to remove, tap on the check mark. As you can see, it will show you the amount of contacts that have been imported, and if we go back, there it is. And that is how you would import contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.